Here I have this alarm clock, and it's actually supposed to have a projection of the time. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product. So I could go ahead and unbox it, give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I did read some reviews on this product. It stated that the projection was not as clear as it states on the description. So I'm going to go ahead and put that to the test today. We're going to go ahead and find out, see what that projection actually looks like. So as you can see inside your box, you will get a manual. You also get your cable to go ahead and plug it up, and then you actually get the power adapter as well. A lot of the times you get the cable but not the adapter, so I do like that that's included. So you can see it's a USB type. So let's go ahead and plug that up. Here is the clock itself. It does come wrapped in a plastic like this. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. It is a pretty lightweight, actually not very heavy. So on the bottom here, I could clearly see it does say projection dimmer. So if it is too bright or too low, you are actually able to adjust the dimmer. I thought it was just one general option. So I do like that. It does have a rotate for clarity. So you actually are able to adjust this to make sure that it is nice and clear. I have not turned it on yet, but I do want to see all the features that it has. So on the time here, it does look like you are able to put it in a 24-hour day or a 12-hour day. On the side here, it does have the volume. It has your hour, your minute, your dimmer, your snooze. I did read on this. The snooze is 9 minutes. So it's kind of like if you have an iPhone. I have an iPhone and it does do the snooze for 9 minutes. Now it does have an option to put 2 alarms. So it has alarm 1 and alarm 2. It does have the option here for your projection. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So I want to go ahead and plug it up. As you can see, also on the bottom here, it does have an option here to go ahead and add batteries. So it uses 2 AAA batteries. They are not included, but they are an option. All right, let's plug this up. So as you can see, it does have it back here. Go ahead and plug it. Big clock. Let me go ahead and remove this. It is a 7-inch screen. From what I read, as you could see, it's currently flashing. Let's go ahead and set the hour. Okay, so it's super simple to set. I just pressed it and now it's 1. So it is currently 11. I'm just gonna put 11:45. You go ahead and hold it down and it'll start going up quickly. So really easy to set up. All right, so if you want the projection on, you just go ahead and press on that. So I'm going to go ahead and dim the lights, and we're going to go ahead and put this to the test and see what that projection looks like. As you can see, this is adjustable, so you're able to move this back and forth depending on where you want it to face. Do you want it to face straight up? You can look at it as you're laying down. Do you want it to face the wall? It flips, so you're able to face it in whatever direction it is that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights now, and we're going to go ahead and put this to the test. So I am making it clear. I'm spinning the dial. So you could see there. So you could move it up and down. All right, it is currently facing the ceiling. Let me turn off my flash. But even with my flash, you could clearly see the time. So this is in the ceiling. It looks nice and clear. You could see the time just changed. So there it is. So if it's too bright, you could lower it so it's not bright on you, or you could make it a lot brighter. But I think it's really clear. The number display on it itself is actually pretty bright, pretty big, large numbers. So if you're on the lookout for a new alarm clock, one that has the projection just like this one, then definitely check this out. It's available in multiple colors. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below if you'd like to check it out, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.